making, well, not food, but special doll for my clothes. And it's gonna be a special one. So let's get started. So first thing you're gonna wanna have, well, is we have right here some scissors. I'll show you what it's in that case. A doll, some of these glitter hot glues, sticks, some
plastic wrap,
and a hot glue gun. So first, you're going to want to get your doll and your paper, your special wrap paper. Then you're going to want to have your scissors. And I got the key here because my brother, he always likes to get all that stuff that's mine. And these are scissors, so he can't because he's little. So I got a key here with all my scissors and my erasers. I got these scissors. Okay. He's asleep, so push me away. Now we're going to want to measure the doll and cut it out for both sides. You're going to want to wrap her up in it so the glue doesn't stick to her. If you want that long, which that's fine, but I don't want it that long. We don't not want it that long. You want to, let's see, I want it like a little dress. Like, you want to carefully cut it. Okay, now we're going to, I'm making her dress. You might want to have a grown-up do this if you can't do that, if you're not old enough. Okay, you plug the glue gun in, and you put this in and wait for it to get hot. Then you have to push it and all the glue comes out for a dress. It's better if you do them in lines like this.
wrap around.
So if you ran out of the sparkly special glue, you can just get some white glue because it looks like icicles to fill in. So it has that little glitter. And you can always spread it all around, and you can also, when it's in, before it dries, you can add a little crystal rhinestone or anything beautiful if you want, like if it's gonna be Elsa. And you can also make little in the backs, little like icicles. So you're gonna want to let it dry, and hot glue dries really quick. Like about that's a little bit dry. Then you're going to cut the back, so all the way where you want it. Then you can cut this, and you can take it off the doll and cut that if you want to make a necklace, like we're gonna do. Now I'm going to take the paper off of it so it can just be the glue. So I'm going to take that. Ooh, that's hot. That's warm. A little bit warm. Now this might be hard. The insides. Don't try to break it. You're going to want to put it on her, and there you go. And you can also add some fringe if you want, like, go ahead and get this threads off. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.